garden today. Oh, it's I think the 6th or 7th or 8th of July. Who knows? Being retired, you really don't see too much. But if you can see behind me, we're doing okay in the garden this year so far. The plants have been in about 5 or 6 weeks. And let me turn this. Today we're going to pick some peas. These vines are pretty tall. They're over 6 feet tall, the peas. The snap peas, I already picked some of these before I had this video going. And then we have another row over here. So I should be able to half fill that bucket today. Right here are my cabbage. These are my red cabbage here. These are my cauliflower. And you can see they're doing very well. Then we have some red peppers. And back there, Brussels sprouts. Kale we pick every day now. We pick kale every day as we need it. And it'll be picked all the way through into November. And these are the collard greens. The eggplants, the bugs got to them, but they'll come back pretty strong. I just sprayed them with insecticidal soap. Over here, we've got some leftover cabbages and cauliflower. And then, of course, we have our raspberry bushes, which we just planted in the fall, and they are doing extremely well. One of the reasons why the garden is so I don't know what the word is, but is growing so well is I have an underground watering system from my leaders and my gutters from my house. And it starts, let me turn this up at that leader pipe, and there's a big roof. Sorry about that. And on the front side, the same thing. And then it goes down this path right here. It's underground about 1 foot. And then what it does is it spreads out through the cabbages and through the peppers. And it just goes. And then right here, there's a leach field. And this mound of grass is a leach field. So what I'm having is I'm having organics in this leach field to spread out here. Plus the leader pipes distribute the water. And so it's a very high dilution rate of a leach field. So it gets plenty of nutrition. And that's why these plants, I never have to water them. I never have to fertilize them. They're all organically fertilized. And if I want to fertilize them, I could just go all the way up to the top. There's a valve underneath, right past the pizza oven. There's a valve there to put the fertilizer in to distribute it equally. Enjoyed that little bit of history there on how I run my gardens. They're very easy to do once they're installed and planted. And they're fun to pick. Every day we have fresh vegetables from the garden now until November. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video.